Hello friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today my project is about how to create these beautiful quilling Rakhis. All are handmade and I will show you total 3 techniques today. These both are having same technique. So I will show you this one today and this blue one. All are pretty, isn't it? So let's get started. For this we need nylon thread, some flower caps. Here I am using large size and small size flower cap, needle, some stone and ball chains, quilling tool, some jump rings, some white stones, white pearls, quilling mold, liquid glue, any kind of thread. Here I am using embroidery thread, scissor and some 3mm quilling strips. So I am starting with first Rakhi. For this I am taking one strip of green color and one strip of yellow color and making one tight coil. Secure the end. So tight coil is ready. Now I am taking 1/8 strip of pink color and making one tight coil. My one strip length is 45 centimeter. So this is also done. We need total 15 small pink color tight coils. So I will connect all these pink tight coils around this big yellow tight coil. So this is done. Now I am taking 1/6 strip of pink color, 1/6 strip of yellow and 1/6 strip of green color and I am making one more tight coil from green side. Like this. So we need total 14 this type of coils. Now I will connect these tight coils around this. So this is also done. Now I have created 2 yellow tight coils using half strip. So I will connect both these tight coils like this. And also I am adding 4 small pink tight coils beside this yellow. And 2 pink tight coil which are made using 1/3 strip. Let it dry. Now I am taking one small piece of paper circle and adding glue on this. This is having approx 1.5 inch diameter. Now I am adding one green color thread on top of this, adding little more glue and connect your pattern like this. And now I will decorate the center part of this Rakhi using some stones and some ball chain. Let it dry. Also I am adding pink color ball chain around the stone chain. So the beautiful first Rakhi is ready. Now I am starting with second Rakhi. For this I am taking pink color strips. Here I am taking total 3 pink strips and making one big tight coil. Secure the end. So tight coil is ready. Now I am taking half strip of blue color and making one teardrop shape. Like this. So we need total 16 teardrops. Now I will connect these teardrops around this pink tight coil. So this is done. Now I am taking 1/8 strip of yellow color and making one more tight coil. Like this, and we need total 16 yellow tight coils. So I will connect these tight coils between each blue color teardrop. So this is also done. Now I will decorate the center using some stones and some ball chains. Let it dry. Now again I am taking one blue color thread, one paper circle, and I will connect the quill pattern with this thread. Like this. So the beautiful second Rakhi is also ready. Now I am starting with third Rakhi. So I will show you how to create this cap dome. For this I am taking 2 strips of dark sea blue color and making one tight coil. Secure the end. Like this. Now I am taking my quilling mold and making the dome shape. You can also use your fingers like this to create the dome. Now just fill inside area of dome using some glue and spread this using brush. And on top of this I am adding one small size flower cap. Let it dry for some time. In the same way I have created this pink color big flower cap dome. For this I am taking 3 strips of pink color and making one big tight coil. Secure the end. Again make a dome and connect the large size cap with this. Let it dry. Now I will connect both the domes with each other. Like this. Now I will add little glue in the center part again, and I will connect one golden color ball chain around this. Similarly, I have created one more bead. Now with the same procedure, we will connect these pink color domes, and on the center part of this bead I am adding stone chain. So beads are ready. Let it completely dry. Now all the beads are dried. So I'm taking the nylon thread. Just double it and make a knot inside this jump ring. Now I will just weave some pearls and these handmade quill beads one by one to create the Rakhi. On other side I am adding one more jump ring. Now just insert these remaining thread through these pearls again and create some knots. Like this. Now cut excess thread. So the pattern is ready. Now I am taking pink color thread, just double it and insert through jump rings and create a knot. I will do the same process on other side. So this is done. So the beautiful bead Rakhi is also ready. I have added 2 golden color beads on end of this Rakhi. So this is done. With the same procedure I have created one more Rakhi using red and orange color combination. Isn't it pretty? So my all 3 patterns are ready. Hope you enjoyed my video and I am sure you will try all these Rakhi for your beloved brothers. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.